Namaste. So the reason why you see us Buddhists and us yogis sitting in these cross-legged postures is because it forms a triangle. And this triangle brings your chi inwards. So you have a triangle like this, it points the chi upwards. You have the triangle like this, it brings the chi inwards. Now there's basically 4 main cross-legged postures. The first one is Sukhasana, which is easy pose, which makes perfect sense because it's the easiest one to sit in. The next level up is accomplished pose, Siddhasana, named after Siddhartha the Buddha. The next one is auspicious pose, which is called Swastikasana. And the final one is lotus pose. And if you sit in lotus, it puts pressure on your bones. So in lotus pose is where you're able to build your internal energy the fastest. And it also helps you with knee and hip issues. I hope this helps, guys. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share. Namaste.